Hello, my friends. How are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself, Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So, guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful, responsive, elegant e-commerce website template in Angular 19 plus. So, friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say, please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So guys, here we go. We see the beautiful e-commerce template in Angular 19 for you, and it's totally free of cost. See guys, just beautiful. Scroll to top, friends. Let me show you the version first for your confirmation. And great. 19.2.9 so latest version. And also you can see it's fully responsive. So friends, no need to worry about responsiveness. You will get the fully responsive template as well. So enjoy it. Toggle beautiful navigation works well. See my friends. Wait, like I said, will work for all the devices. My friends, and guys, like always, I will share the course snippet link inside this video description. Friends, if you will have any kind of queries, suggestion, or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog, therichpost.com. Here is contact us page. In this page, you will get my email ID, my WhatsApp number, and my work structure as well. And guys, also, I'm full-time freelancer. You can hire me on Upwork as well on hourly basis as well. And on my blog, you will get multiple free things like Angular, React.js, Vue.js, Laravel, WordPress, Bootstrap, and thousands of admin dashboard templates totally free of course. So, guys, this is it. And friends, in the end, I must say a few things. Please subscribe my channel and please support me. And after it, I will come with more free things. So, friends, thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.